Of course, playing with the boat, so only his side can catch any fish. But I can do that too.
Oh, you had to?
Oh, this is nice. You got one too?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is sport. Look at this, all three of us have fish now.
Yeah?
This is Norway. This is Rorvik. And the right lures, of course.
Had a good pilot.
You're talking about me or yourself?
Yeah. And the captain.
Ah, thank you.
And we have the good heat for the fish. Coming.
Oh, it's a pollock.
There's a mackerel, yeah.
No.
We have one more big foot.
Starting to get used to it, to work with people. Wait a bit. Look, the redhead. It's working for pollock.
So you want to take a picture of the two of you?
Of course. Never try to get your fingers away from the side where he's taking a picture. No, take it like that. Not too far and bend your finger so you don't have a teeth.
The finger in there.
In the ass, of course. Yeah.